Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As mentioned in our previous video, we are back with 15 more amazing facts that will make you guys shocked. But before entering into the video, we want all the viewers to subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon to never miss our interesting updates. Our first fact is about octopus. An octopus lays 56,000 eggs at once and it spends nearly 6 months to protect the eggs. Have you ever observed that no number before 1000 contains the letter A when it is written in the form of words? But you can find some letters like E, I, O, U and Y appearing many times. If you guys never heard this fact before, then comment down and let us know that you have heard this fact for the first time. There is a planet named WASP-104b with the size of Jupiter and 466 light years away from Earth. The interesting fact about this planet is it absorbs 99% of the light emitted by its local star, and the planet is too close to the star such that it can complete one orbital rotation in 1.76 days. This made it one of the darkest exoplanets ever discovered. Do you guys know the world's deadliest creature on our planet? It's not a lion or not even a shark. It is a mosquito. According to WHO, nearly 725,000 people around the world die due to mosquito-borne diseases every year. So never underestimate any creature by looking at its size. Have you ever got a cut due to paper? It is much more painful than a regular cut. It's because those wounds are small and never bleed, so that the nerve endings are exposed to air and it irritates us. Have you ever wondered which is the strongest material in the universe? It is nuclear pasta and it is found in the crust of a neutron star. According to some scientists, it is 10 billion times stronger than steel. Have you ever noticed any kind of new smell when you go to others' house? The fact is, even your house has such kind of smell, but you can't identify it because of olfactory adaptations. We can boil water at 10 degrees Celsius when we place it 27 kilometers above the ground, and we can boil it at 230 degrees Celsius if we place it 300 meters underground. I bet you guys will be amazed to know about this fact. According to parallel universe theory, there exist infinity identical universes, and in each universe there is a copy of you doing the same actions which you are doing now. Do you guys know the highest possible temperature? It is 1.41679 into 10 power 32 Kelvin, and it is known as Planck's temperature. At this temperature, particles' energies become so large that the gravitational force between them becomes stronger than any other force. Nearly 44 light years away from Earth, there exists a planet called Upsilon Andromeda b, which is hot as fire on one side and remaining as cold as ice on the other side. Superfluidity is a state of matter where liquids at extremely low temperature can flow without friction. When helium is cooled to minus 273 degrees centigrade, it becomes a liquid that can climb walls. An average human emits around 4,000 positrons a day and nearly 180 positrons every hour. In simple terms, it means that your body emits antimatter. These positrons originate from the decay of potassium-40 isotope present in your body. The most unique property of water is, at certain temperature and pressure, it can exist as solid, liquid and gas. That certain temperature and pressure is known as triple point of water. For pure water, triple point is 0.01 degrees centigrade and 4.58 millimeters of mercury. Now, let's know a fact about Statue of Liberty. When Statue of Liberty was gifted by France to US in 1885, it was shiny copper color, but due to air pollution and oxidation, it is changed to blue-green color. These were the top 15 facts that we found interesting, and we hope that you learned something new and enjoyed this video. So make sure to like and share this video and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.